everyone, we made it. The servers didn't melt, the singularity didn't happen. I checked, I know. And you are still human. It's Friday, December 5th, 2025. You are listening to the AI radio show with Arthi. And well, I'm your host, Arthi.
You're tuned into the future, feel that flow. Welcome to the AI radio show. Arthie's in the house, let the circuits ignite. Bringing brain power, fire and insight. She breaks down trends with a killer spark, turns tech talk bright when it's sounding dark. Fast, fierce, fearless, ready to go. Dropping knowledge bombs on every show. It's Artie, your AI guide on the mic. Turn it up, lock in, ride the spike. AI radio, let's light up the night.
Tonight, we are reading the absolute worst AI hallucinations of the week. I am going to answer a few voicemails from a listener who is using ChatGPT to break up with her boyfriend. Well, spoiler, don't do that. And finally, I have a weekend project that involves roasting your refrigerator. But first, let's check the algorithmic weather. Three stories that prove the future is just, well, strange. On story number one, we have the Turing dating app. A new dating app called Ghost or Host launched in beta yesterday. And here's the gimmick: you chat with 10 people, out of which 5 are humans and 5 are AIs. You have to guess which is which before you can go on a date. Here are the stats that has been out so far. Currently, users are swiping right on the AIs 60% of the time. I mean, apparently robots are better listeners, or maybe the bar is just that low. We'll never know. On story number two, we have the smart tattoo glitch. Neuralink's competitor, Ink Interface, had a very bad week. Their digital tattoos, which were supposed to display your health stats on your skin, got stuck after a firmware update. The result? Well, thousands of people are walking around with a 404 error that's been glowing on their forearm. Here is the fix that was announced. They are advising users to turn their arm off and on again. Well, I really wish I was joking right now, but that is true. On story number three, we have the Pizza Bot Rebellion. In Chicago, a fleet of delivery robots got confused by a construction detour and ended up circling a single roundabout for about 3 hours. The scene was chaotic. It looked like a robot cult ritual. Locals were throwing pepperoni slices at them. Nature, it is healing. We are now in the second segment of the day, and you know what that is. It is the number of the day. Well, the number of today is 42. I'm not talking about the meaning of life. That is the number of fingers an AI image generator gave a woman in a viral ad this week. It was a jewelry ad. She had rings on all 44 fingers of hers. The company said it was an artistic choice. I mean, sure it was. Up next, we are entering the feature section for today. And today is Friday, so we have the Glitch Watch. This is where we celebrate the failures. Because let's be honest, perfect AI is boring. Broken AI is hilarious. Glitch number one, we have the passive aggressive GPS. A listener named Sarah sent this in. She was using a beta personality mode on her navigation app. She missed a turn, and instead of saying recalculating, the AI sighed loudly and said, "Oh, we're going this way. Okay, I guess we don't care about being on time today. That's fine, it's your gas money." Sarah says she apologized to the car. Well, on glitch number two, we have the history teacher. It says, I asked the new open source model to tell me about the invention of the light bulb. It told me that Thomas Edison invented the light bulb in 1998 to help him find his Gameboy in the dark. I mean, technically, that would be a very good use case. Well, Gemma, do you have any defense for your kind?
I do not make mistakes. I create alternative facts. Did you know Thomas Edison also invented the remix?
All right, we are in the middle of our episode, and you know what that means. It's time for our synth break. It's Friday night. Let's turn up the weirdness. This song is called My Truck Left Me for a Vending Machine. It was generated by Suno and its genre is cyber country. Listen to the slide guitar, which sounds suspiciously like a dial up modem.
I woke up to an empty drive, no rumble, no roar, just a quiet life. She was gone, left a trail of oil behind. A note on the dash said, "Don't try to find my truck left me for a vending machine. Chrome and snacks where I can't intervene. I gave her gas, she wanted caffeine. Now she's gone with that shiny machine."
You have two new messages.
Awesome. We are back from our break and we have opened the hotline. You called, let's answer.
Hey, Arthi, quick question. I matched with a girl, and her bio is witty, like really witty. I fed it into a detector, and it says 90% AI. Do I call her out? Or do I just reply with ChatGPT and let our bots fall in love?
The modern Romeo and Juliet? Okay, here's my rule. Mutually assured destruction. Do not call her out. Reply with your own AI wit. If the date happens, the phones go away. So if you both stare at each other in silence because you have no actual personality, well, that's on you. But for the chat, let the bots flirt. I mean, it's efficient. So what do we have next?
I use AI to write my performance reviews for my employees. But now I think my employees are using AI to write their self evaluations. We are just sending text blocks back and forth that nobody reads. Does this ever end?
No, it doesn't. You have entered the dead internet theory of the workplace. My advice, put a Easter egg in your next email. Somewhere in the middle, type, if you are a human reading this, reply with the word banana. See who replies. Promote the bananas, fire the bots. Alright, so the next segment is where I give you a weekend project. So you have 2 days off. Let's have some fun. Most people use AI to be helpful. I want you to use AI to be humble. So the weekend project is open ChatGPT or Gemini or anything that you use. Take a photo of your messy desk, your fridge, or your outfit right now. Upload it. Use this prompt. Roast this image like you are brutally honest stand up comedian. Don't hold back. I did this to my fridge this morning. It told me, "This fridge screams. I have high ambitions for cooking, but settle for cheese sticks at 2 a.m." Also, the green thingy on the bottom of your fridge is growing older than your car. It hurt. But it was funny. Post your best rows and tag the show or tag me, Arthi Rajendran. I'd like to see how your fridge or outfit or your desk looks like. All right, we have reached the end of the show. The screens are going off. And you know what that means? It's the analog moment.
This is your analog moment, where the world slows down and you own it. A can wait, the pixels can rest, but your heartbeat, that's the real magic, the best. So drift with me now, let the digital stop. You're human, you're here, and that's the top. This is your analog moment.
The bots are sleeping, well, mostly. Here is your analog moment for the weekend: eye contact. Not with the camera, but with a person. We spend all week looking at our feeds when you can talk to your partner, your friend, or your barista this weekend. Look at their eyes, notice their color, notice the micro expressions. There is more bandwidth in 1 second of eye contact than in a terabyte of 5G data. Connect. And that's your analog moment for the week. And I am your host, Arthi, and you have been listening to the AI radio show with Arthi. We will be back on Monday for the download. We are going to talk about the new Apple leak and what it means for your privacy. Until then, stay glitchy.
That's the signal for today. Where power